Hi, my name's Amber and I am the dance officer for Quiet Beats. Quiet Beats is part of Jones the Dance Young Company that runs throughout the year in Cardiff and especially aims to support young deaf people to thrive within dance. At Jones the Dance, we want to challenge who gets to make and enjoy dance. Dance classes are typically set up for hearing people and can be more difficult to follow. So through joining Quiet Beats Young Company, you will have the chance to reach your potential with great dance artists, teachers, and have the opportunity to make new friends. Quiet Beats is a safe and supportive environment for you to build skills, confidence, and explore your unique creativity through movement. There will be a range of deaf and hearing choreographers throughout the year for you to work with as well.